We know you are always on the lookout for the most suitable products to satisfy your custom requirements. That's why we at TechBee have come up with this list specifically made for you. Whether you want to splurge all of your money or simply want an affordable option, we have the right choice for you. Oh, and don't forget to look at the description below to see updated prices and offers that you might get. Let's get started.
A solar-powered water pump is an environmentally friendly concept. It is a concept that eliminates any power grids or fossil fuels used to pump water out of the ground. It offers meager operating cost in maintenance, easy installation, efficiency, and reduced dependence on electricity, energy, and issues like power cuts, low voltage, and single-phase problems.
Now, if durability is your primary concern, then the next product would be an ideal choice for you.
This solar panel can connect directly with the submersible water pump and delivers instant power without any additional wiring or electrical hassles. Its durable and efficient submersible brushless magnetic pump has a long life of 20,000 plus hours and offers adjustable flow control and dry run protection. Its removable pre-filter prevents debris from clogging the impeller and is non-toxic to fish, frogs, and other aquatic life. Plus, its 20-watt solar panel is framed with aluminum that comes with a stake and can be placed up to 16 feet away from the pump with included power cord. Its optional 16-inch extension cord allows placement even further away from the pump. It is also perfect for large fountains, water features, ponds, streams, waterfalls, hydroponics, aquaponics, greenhouses, rainwater collection, animal troughs, natural pools, or anywhere else you need to pump water.
Before we look into the next option, tell us what's your favourite model and the reason why you love it in the comment section below.
This solar pump is powered by solar panels and provides installation ease and is environmentally friendly. It comes with a 12-volt durable aluminum frame with 4 protection angles. And its adjustable solar panel angle enables you to plant the solar panel even in the ground. Plus, it offers a maximum flow rate of 160 GPH with a lift height of 5.6 feet, paired with a long life of 20,000 plus hours. It is ideal for the outdoor landscape, powered by solar energy, free maintenance, no wire, no electrical shock. And it is also perfect for large outdoor fountains, water features, ponds, streams, waterfalls, hydroponics, aquaponics, greenhouses, and rainwater.
Next up, we have an excellent option for you. Let's check it out.
This solar-powered fountain pump comes with 4 different types of nozzle heads attached to the pump. It allows the device to change the water's height emitted and arranges your fountains properly to create a beautiful formation of water spouts cascading beautifully in midair. It does not need any battery or source of electricity, as it runs on solar power and works at its peak when placed in an area fully exposed to the sky. As well as its fountain's operation improves even more after giving it a few days under sunlight. It also allows you to use the pump for fish tanks, ponds, pools, and other kinds of decorative outdoor waterscapes. And it is fully compatible with Zen, pool, cascading, wall, and tiered fountains.
If you're looking for a mid-range model, then this next pick is a great option.
This solar fountain pump with modern design offers ease to install, operate, and totally hassle-free. Its water flow is 200 liters per hour with a maximum height of 47 inches and is equipped with multiple fountain nozzles to enjoy an incredible mini waterfall landscape. Its height of water depends on the strength of the sunlight, and its birdbath water pump runs automatically when solar powered with any additional extra power and promotes energy saving and environmentally friendly. Plus, it comes with fitting accessories and 3 types of sprinkler heads for different water flows and water heights. And it provides various nozzles for creating more unique spray patterns in your yard.
Moving forward, we have a great option that gives you excellent value for money.
This Rofi offers 6 spray nozzles, more than the Solitech with 3, and has a lower maximum height with a height of 45 centimeters. Its 6 spray jets can be customized to suit the design desired, and its size can be increased and decreased according to the water jet's plan and the sun's intensity. Plus, its pump boasts a circular designed panel that provides 1.4 watts with a wireless build. And it is an ideal pump for various places like bird baths, fish tanks, small ponds, garden decoration, and water circulation for oxygen.
Coming up next, we have a versatile model for you. Let's see more into it.
This key home comes with 4 different spray heads, with every spray head with another spray for adding convenience to use. Its solar fountain adopts high-efficient solar panels and a new type of brushless water pump. And it also offers advantages of quick startup, high efficiency, and strong stability. Moreover, its energy comes from sunlight and eliminates the need for any external batteries or electricity. And it can run automatically in 3 seconds when bright sunlight shines on the solar panel directly. Plus, this upgraded solar fountain is perfect for bird baths, fish tanks, small ponds, pools, garden decorations, water circulation for oxygen, and more. And it also adds a 12-month warranty for the water hose.
If you've watched this far, I'm sure you'll love this channel. So hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.